Okay, so let's try it, different variety of cuts, making holes and adjusting the depth of this one. So to try to undo yung ginawa natin last thing, or I'll try to delete the futures. So I'm gonna select the futures na ito, then I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so consume sketches, I'm not gonna consume that one. So here I have now yung ano natin, still the sketches that we have here. So I'm gonna adjust this one to let's say that will be 0.2. I have the thickness here, so I'm going to extrude this one, or let's say I'm gonna cut this one by means of extrusion. Okay, so I'm selecting the file, or we can use this one. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this one. So you'll notice kung ano nangyari, no? So I'm gonna move this one until here. Okay, then defining so depending on yung kailangan mo na height, no, distance, no, from the surface. So for example dito I've used this one, then I'm gonna click OK. Okay, so this is our cut for that part. Then I'll try to make a hole dito. Okay, so what I'm going to do, again, going to 2D sketch. So I want to create a hole dito. So I have now the sketch of this part, and I'm gonna draw a circle dito, then dimension this one. So clicking the diameter, so mapapansin dyan we have 3 dimensions needed to be constrained. So as much as possible, so best practice is to fully constrain your sketches. So usually para hindi na magkaroon ng galaw-galaw. Yan yung basic explanation nun. Kasi once na yan, magkakaroon pa ng adjustment. Okay, so then I'm gonna finish my sketch. Then I'm gonna do is to extrude it by means of this buying. So meron din kasi tayong hole. So later on, we'll try to discuss this one. But we'll be using the extrude, no, and cut. Okay, by making the hole. But you can also use this one directly. But later on, we'll discuss this one and advantage nito and using this one. So I have now your hole created doon. So mapapansin nyo, if we're going to view in our visual style, so marami yan dyan. We can smooth shaded model. Okay, you can check that one, shaded with edges. So mapapansin nyo, there is a hidden line doon sa inside. So mapapansin nyo kagad if yung cut nyo are pushed through to the other sides. Then we can also use the wireframe, okay, to view yung object natin or part natin. So wireframe with hidden edges, okay, or monochrome, we can use that one also, or watercolored, okay. And also we have sketch illustration, gusto nyo rin yan. So depending yung application na gusto nyo, the type of gusto nyo i-display. So for me, we'll try to use yung basic that we have here. So that will be shaded with hidden edges. So para to make sure, to clarify if the extruded object natin or yung cut natin object are pushed through to down sa desired, hindi siya lumampas doon sa part na yan. Okay, so that's the way of creating the holes by means of extrusion. So let's proceed to the other topic.